We've been using Maintenance Manager for around about 4 or 5 years, I think. Quite some time. We were at a conference and my team came running up to me in extreme excitement saying, we need this. So they do go to conferences and they do walk around and see what's out there and what's new. And I wasn't leaving that conference without signing up. Before we had Maintenance Manager, we had used our maintenance program through our trust accounting software. It was a disaster. Things weren't being followed up properly and it was just, there was no accountability really. But it wasn't just for the property manager, it was more about the fact that we'd lodged a repair and the owner hadn't got back to us, the tradie hadn't got back to us, the tenant didn't know what was going on, you know, all those sort of things. So now we just log it in there and everything happens. The owner gets notified, the tenant gets notified, the tradie gets notified. You know, everything comes back through there so the PM can see exactly what they're doing at every point in time. It's amazing. We definitely recommend Maintenance Manager. We are in a circle of other property managers and other agencies and we all talk about Maintenance Manager. Most of the people that are in our knit circle obviously do use it as well and it's just amazing. We recommend it to everybody. One of the main features that I really like about Maintenance Manager's program is the fact that it does document everything and it does create an audit trail. So if you need to go to tribunal or anything to that effect, it does date stamps and times everything, and that's just amazing. We need that to protect our agency.